Hi, I'm back with my second video. I promised you on my first video that I'll tell you on my second video what is the science behind smoking and why it is so much difficult for you to get rid of those difficulties and how you can make it easier. Yes, the science behind the smoking is crystal clear. Because when you start smoking, it releases dopamine, which is called the happy hormone. So what you need to do? You need to do 3 changes in your life. First one is your lifestyle changes. What is your lifestyle changes? What you can do about it? The first one is you need to find some natural ways which will develop your dopamine. The first one is be active. When you stay active, your dopamine level will start shooting up and it will be well balanced. The second one is eat lots of protein. Yes, because protein contains 23 amino acids, and out of that one is tyrosine, which is playing a crucial role to develop your dopamine. The third one is eat less saturated fat. Yeah, that can be animal fat, a lot of things. The fourth one is eat velvet beans. It's an excellent source of L-dopa, which is the crucial part of dopamine. The next one, what you can do, it is the crucial part. Yeah, it is the important part because you need to have enough sleep. If you are having enough sleep and quality sleep basically, then you are balancing your dopamine level. Exactly. The next part, have enough sunlight. And you can do meditation, you can listen to music. Those are the excellent activities how you can develop your dopamine. The second part is behavioral change, because what happened once the smoking habit it is established, what happened, you start to relate with your smoking habit with all the daily activities. You try to relate with them. I can give you some examples. Like with a cup of coffee or tea, you need a cigarette to finish it up. After lunch or dinner, you need a cigarette. During office hours, you need a fag break. So why it's like that? Because it's a never ending loop. The first one is your trigger, right? Because that is the urge of smoking. The second one is your behavior. And what do? You pick up a cigarette. The third one is your reward, because once you start smoking, that reward goes to your brain. So what you can do, you can change that behavior part. How you can do? You need to find something. आपको वो ढूंढ के निकालना है जिसमें आप passionate हो. Like that will give you that excitement. अब वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, I don't know. Because you need to give your brain a reward signal. So that we can substitute that smoking habits, smoking behavior with something else. Getting my point? Fine. And the third one is, I'll tell you one technique. Yes, the smoking technique. Yeah, you know, after 2 years, I bought a cigarette just for this video. Yeah, this is called mindful smoking. Yeah. Have you heard about it? No? Okay, fine. See, most of the times when you smoke, we are not aware of that particular moment. We are not aware. So what you need to do when you are smoking next time, you need to feel, you need to be aware of that moment, like how you are touching that cigarette, how you are taking that puff, how you are inhaling inside, how you are exhaling this smoke. So you need to be aware of that particular moment. Getting my point? Because once you are aware of that moment, because I have got some feedbacks with some of my friends and they said they can feel a burning smell which is not pleasant, and even that smoking journey, that smoking experience, it is not pleasant anymore. Yeah, isn't it strange? But it happens like that, because most of the time when we are smoking, we are not aware of that particular moment. Sometimes we are talking to somebody or we are staring at our smartphone. So that is the thing. So if we want to wrap it up, so there are three things. The bottom line is three things what you need to do. The first one is your lifestyle change, second one is your behavioral change, and the third one is mindful smoking. I'm not asking you just leave your cigarette, be mindful while smoking. Be attentive, be aware of that moment, and you will never smoke. And I hope one day that will be your last cigarette. Thank you.